Welcome back to Daytime Live. So the Grammy nominations are out, and we have the nominations for the Reggae Grammys. All right, you go first.
The first project that has been nominated is Born for Greatness. That's done by Buju Banton, a.k.a. Mark Murray, a.k.a. Buju Banton.
You love Buju? His songs?
General.
Yeah.
One of the 4 baddest bees in our musical history.
The 4 baddest, okay.
Bees.
I get you. Yeah.
Buju, berries.
Yeah, so the bilabial never come out so great, so I'm never
That's
really
another bee?
I
don't know that artist.
Yeah.
Bilabial, who's that?
Love me some Buju from before and even now. And then continuing with a B, since we're going there, we have Simma by Beenie Man.
Moses.
Do you remember when he took over Daytime Live the other day?
Yeah, it was with Craigie and
Nishayan.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't think he could have been here when you were here.
Why not?
Too much.
What is supposed to mean? I like Beenie Man.
Right.
Right. Simma. Congratulations, Beenie Man. Who else we have?
So we also have Cali Roots, the Cali Roots Rhythm 2023, and this is done by Collie Buds. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. You know?
No, I do not.
Finally, the herbs come around.
Do you have another song? No? Okay. I guess not.
This alone should have made
no,
it like this.
Hold on. No. Listen, remember saying no. I don't. In terms of musical taste for each person is different. So I could ask you about a particular artist, you don't know that person, you ask me, I don't, you understand? So it depends on your taste. But no, that one isn't familiar to me. Maybe if I hear it, because it's you singing it just not register because maybe offbeat or your tone
maybe
or dynamics or something not working. But if I hear the song, I say, oh,
something's wrong with you. Something's wrong with you. Something's
many
wrong with you.
things are, but many things are also right with me.
Wait a second. Many things are right. I feel like something where you walk and you shake a leg.
That should be a song.
You hear sounds like marbles. We're going to play the song.
Play the song.
We're going to play the song and play it for you.
Yes, give me a touch of the song. Oh, you see, it's how Dufton was singing it. That's all I need to hear. All right, Sir Buds. Yes, I like that song. Then we have also No Destroyer, Burning Spears.
Use the zapper.
No Burning Spears. Real general, that too.
Burning Spear, yeah.
I always feel like we should be honoring those who went before us, because
they paved the way.
Be here, right? If it wasn't for what they did, so I could give them the roses now.
It's funny. We are moving away from when the elders are seen as this repository of wisdom and knowledge, and they should be honored. We're in a space now that they should be discarded as soon as possible.
Why?
Because I would like to take on the unknown by myself. And there is truth and there's so much knowledge in if you want to go forward, sometimes you have to go back.
Yeah, where you're coming from.
Yeah, because they have done it.
That,
life is a cycle. I mean, they were 30 before we were 30.
The man who gets a next wipe out like in the nowadays. Who is next? Who is his face? All right, so we have Colors of Royal. Julian Marley. Ooh, congrats.
And
yeah.
Antioch.
Oh, and Antioch, thank you.
Do you feel like every time this category is announced,
there must be a Marley?
A Marley is oftentimes there.
Has to. I mean, it wouldn't be the same without that,
No, but
has to be a Marley in it.
That's why I want to get my name so significant.
Oh, so you want to be married to a Marley to change your name?
Eh?
You want to be
No. My last name.
Okay.
Significant with.
Oh, you want Shepherd to become significant to that. Okay.
That's something I
All right.
Must be in it.
Right. So you're going to live another 10 lifetimes for that to happen? Is that it?
I would make you some Serasi tea right now with no sugar. No sugar whatsoever.
I'm just proud of my Jamaicans.
Squeeze a lime in there for good measure.
To all the reggae.
Congratulations to all the nominees. Have you ever wanted to go to a Grammy award ceremony, like the show, the live show, like attend just to see what's going on? Okay, cool.
Like, maybe just watch it. It's too much work to go. Still the truth.
Yeah, if you carry like 4 suits, you know.
And I forgot dress up and I can't, but it's just too much.
Red carpet,
just watch it.
blue carpet.
Yeah,
and
no. And worse, I'm not like take picture, you know. I'm not like camera, so it wouldn't work. Thank you so much for watching Daytime Live. Remember to check on your loved ones and support as a community, right? It's the weekend, so although you're gonna have fun, be safe. And Daytime Live, we are back on Tuesday. But remember, you can also be a part of our studio audience every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Dufton does try come into it.
Now looking at your camera, because I want to say they like camera, so but you get a whole one for yourself. So it's
right, so
we're gonna share it.
So continue. Finish it up.
Which way do you eat?
Just continue. Come back Tuesday for what?
Oh, more of the show.
Be safe, everybody. Thank you for watching. Block him.